Today topic is carbon ion. See, the carbon ion means negative charged carbon particle is called carbon ion. Here the hybridization of carbon ion is 3 sigma bond plus 1 lone pair is there. Negative charge means 1 lone pair. Total 4 means that is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means tetrahedral geometry, but due to 1 lone pair, this is the pyramidal structure, pyramidal shape, right? Pyramidal shape. Now this carbon ion, suppose if it is in the conjugation like this, allylic position, CH2 double bond CH2 minus. In this case, this pi bond is, this lone pair is not involved in the hybridization. It is a unhybridized orbital. Unhybridized orbital. So what is the hybridization here? The hybridization is only 3 sigma bonds. That means sp2 hybridization geometry is planar. Which planar? Trigonal planar. Okay, so blindly don't give that wherever minus is there, that is considering by negative charge, you cannot give that pyramidal shape or sp3 hybridization, right? You have to concentrate that if it is in the conjugation. So see, orbital diagram it is, this is the unhybridized, this one is unhybridized orbital. Pi bond, how it is forming? These hybrid orbitals, unhybridized orbital partial overlapping. This is the partial overlapping of unhybridized orbitals. So these overlapping, it may changes. Abhi I am giving 1, 2, 3. Starting in between 1 and 2 overlapping is there. It may be create new overlapping in between 2 and 3, then it will get separate. That means if you write in the resonance like this, then what will happen? This CH2 minus, in between 2 and 3 carbons, double bond will be there. Okay, are you getting? So that means, see, pi bond always forming with unhybridized orbitals. Even hybridization formula also you can write it. What is the hybridization formula? Hybridization equal number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. Here number of sigma bonds, we are not counting pi bonds, because pi bonds is forming by unhybridized orbitals, right? This is the main basic. Now carbon ion, a carbon intermediate which contains 3 bond pair and a negative charge on it called carbon ion. CH3 minus, CH3, CH2 minus, this methyl carbon ion, ethyl carbon ion, isopropyl carbon ion. Now structure, here 2 types. Carbon ion generally sp3 hybridized, pyramidal. This lone pair is involving in the hybridization. So hybridization, again I am writing the formula. Hybridization equal number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. Okay. Now here 3 plus 1 total 4, that means sp3 hybridization. But here same structure but sp2 hybridization. Why? Because you take this example. Okay. So this orbital is unhybridized orbital. Okay, already here double bond is there, these are overlapped. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, in between 2 and 3, when bond is forming, this bond will go towards first carbon. So final concept is, whenever it is in the conjugation, conjugation means alternative with pi bond and a lone pair. Whenever in conjugation, this C minus is in is sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized carbon, right? So next, this is the sp3 over pyramidal shape. Okay, so whenever sp3 is there, you have to take this tetrahedral geometry, but one lone pair is there means you don't consider this area shape. The remaining shape will be as a trigonal pyramidal, TP, trigonal pyramidal. Now here this lone pair is not involving in the hybridization, that's why only 3 sigma bond, that is sp2, that is trigonal planar, right? Unhybridized pure p orbital. When it is not involving, whenever it is in the conjugation, it is not involving in the hybridization. Be clear. So these all are sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized. Now stability of carbene ion. For stability of carbene ion, 3 majorly. So minus inductive effect, minus mesomeric effect, and delocalization of charge. Okay, aromatization is common in this carbocation and carbene ion. It is a common. Next, delocalization means nothing but the resonance again. Next, we will check it. Minus I effect, examples, generation. Acha. Okay, now we will see some examples. Before that, differences between carbocation and carbene ion. Once again, see, carbocation is 2 types. In the last video you can, if you did not see the last video, you can see again. This carbocation 2 types, divalent and pentavalent. This divalent is called classical carbocation. Classical, this is non-classical. Non-classical क्योंकि carbon cannot form 5 bonds, maximum तो 4 bonds है. Here 5 bonds means it is something unexpected, means which is not existing actually. Okay, non-classical and classical is a it's not divalent, it is a trivalent. So 3 bonds are there, 3 sigma bonds, so it is a trivalent. This is the pentavalent. See, already 3 bonds are there, this carbocation, sigma bonds. These 2 sides, new bond formation is there. Okay, any either right side भी हो सकता है, left side भी हो सकता है. Regarding this resonance, you can see the last video. Now, if we talk about stability of these, acha, carbene ion is again 2 types. Just now we discussed pyramidal and planar, which whenever it is involved in the hybridization, this lone pair, that is pyramidal. If it is not involving in the hybridization, that is planar. Next, stability. Carbocation stability is directly proportional to plus inductive plus mesomeric, means donors होना चाहिए, electron donors. Here obviously electron receivers. Okay, electron receivers होना चाहिए. Example, CH3 minus CH3 CH2 minus now example 1, which is the more stable. Obviously here this one is the more stable, first one, then second, then third. Why? What is the reason? See, the reason is here, you can say here no donors, no receivers, but here one plus inductive group is there, plus I group is there. Here 2 plus I groups are there, 2 plus I groups. See, one simple logic is always neutral particle is more stable. Particle is more stable. Now suppose if C minus is there, if electron receivers are attached, this is the more stable condition. Electron receivers are there, I am writing here stable conditions. Suppose carbocation is there, when it will be neutralized? Whenever electron donors are there. Electron donors, donating groups. Electron donating groups. When electron donating groups are there, it will be stable. More electron donating groups are there, more stable. Okay. So the final concept is it should be neutralized. If it has more charges, receiver should be present for getting stability. If positive charge is there, means electron deficient is there, electron donor should be attached with this. Okay. Now this is the concept you can apply here. See, already negative charge is there. Negative charge will be stable whenever it is attached to minus inductive, but here plus inductive is there. That's why the stability is decreasing. Next, one more example of this carbon, sp2 hybridization, means electron negativity is more. If more electron negativity is there, means it is pulling electron towards the second carbon electron. This is one reason. One reason is minus inductive. The second reason is this pi bond, this negative charge will be delocalized, means resonance is there. If resonance is there, then also it will be get more stable. Two reasons. So finally conclusion हमारा concept क्या था? This carbon should get neutralized. See, whenever this negative charge is transferred to second carbon, then this carbon become neutral. So that is more stable. This negative charge is distributed 50% here, then 50% here. इसका resonance structure you can see here. CH3C, second carbon, negative charge, hydrogen is there, CH2. So this carbon and this carbon 50-50% sharing. So no one carbon has full negative charge. So that is a more stable compared to the 24/7. Here negative charge is there, but here only 50-50% charge. So this is the logic you can apply. And see here delocalization, more resonance structures are there. Okay, one allylic group is there here. Then here this negative charge, it can move left side as well, right side. So two resonance structures, here three resonance structures are there. So this is more stable. What is the stability order now? C is more stable than B, then A, right? So what is the reason? Number of resonance structures. C minus stability directly proportional to resonance structures, number of resonance structures. Okay, suppose if you take the carbocation also more stable. Suppose I am taking same structure here. I am taking carbocation now, positive charge, right? These are the carbocations. Now what is the stability order? Obviously C is higher than the B, then A in case of carbocation also. So the conclusion is carbocation and carbene ion stability is directly proportional to resonance. Okay, next, but inductive and mesomeric effect is completely different. Suppose CH2 minus in the benzene ring is there. Okay, here also due to delocalization is more stable. which is more stable? Here, due to the resonance, this carbon getting neutral, so obviously this is the more stable than this one. Okay, so stability order you understood now. Next, aromatization. Suppose now see question number 1 and 2 may in between this carbocation, which is more stable? This one is more stable, here this one is more stable. Reason, this is aromatic, here this one also aromatic. So you can see 4n plus 2 rule. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons. In the 4n plus 2 series, 2 will come. Here 6 electrons are there, like benzene. Okay, this is also more stable. Next, generation of carbon ion. How this carbon ion is forming? By action of base on acidic hydrogen of CH bond. Okay, CH bonds are there. Okay, so if strong base is there, so this base is taking this H plus, OH minus required only H plus, so it is forming CH3 minus, like that. The acidic hydrogen of CH may be of two types. By attacking of base on hydrogen, okay, that is CX, means here electron negativity is higher. Then you can see here, this is a bit, you can see whenever more electronegative atom with pi bond is there, so obviously this pi bond is towards the more electronegative atom side. This much is clear. Yes, whenever pi bond is there, loosely packed electrons moving towards more electronegative atom. So here oxygen getting negative charge, carbon getting positive charge. Yes. Now, so if it is getting positive charge means then the positive charge next carbon, this hydrogen, because here this carbon required electrons. See, I am writing again this one. This pi bond is shifted here, so positive charge. So this carbon need electrons. In that case, these electrons are ready to come here. So in that case, this hydrogen is ready to leave as H plus. So suppose here OH minus is there. So immediately it is combining with OH minus. Already it is trying to leave. If OH minus is there, ready. Okay, इसका साथ में friend है ना H2O. Okay, it is forming H2O like that. That is the one of the reason. So after releasing H plus, it is getting the more stable. You can see C minus आ गया, उसके बाद resonance is there. This type of resonance, then more stable. Okay, this is the one reason. And the other type of carbon ion is by attack of base. Suppose NH2 minus, it is directly taking H plus. Okay, similar explanation here also. Attack of base. Then by decarboxylation of carboxylate ion. Carboxylate means CO minus is there. Here decarboxylation में क्या होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकालना पड़ता है, only CO2. See, from the negative charge, if you are removing some neutral particle means the remaining particle में obviously negative charge will be there remain. Okay, so in the carboxylate ion we are removing carbon dioxide, so the negative charge is, how it is transferring, you can see here, this negative charge is going here, then carbon getting 5 bonds, immediately this sigma bond is shifted to next carbon, so here bond cleavage takes place. So CO2 is liberated, then RCH2 minus. Okay, the last case क्या था? One is due to strong base attacking. The another method is decarboxylation of carboxylate ion. Okay, in the form of organometallic compounds. first you have to know that what is organometallic compound. Is a very important concept, organometallic compound. In that name only is there, organic compound is connected with metal. RMgX, Grignard reagent. In the Grignard reagent, you will write CH3MgX. Okay, so this methyl connected with magnesium. Methyl means here carbon actually. This I can write this one. Whenever carbon is connected with, carbon means organic compound connected with metal, these compounds are known as organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds. Now, the formation of organometallic compound. In this formation of organometallic compound, see this total part is, what is the magnesium atomic oxidation number? +2. Yes, magnesium +2, halogen -1. Okay, suppose this total is +1. If it is +1 means CH3 should be -1. Okay, so this CH3 acting as a nucleophile with negative charge. So in the form of organometallic compound also, see RMgX is separated with R minus MgX plus. Okay, these all are organometallic compounds. The carbon is attached to metal. You can see Gilman's reagent. It is very, very important. Grignard reagent and Gilman's. The common formula is Gilman's R2CuLi. Grignard ka RMgX. Okay. Next. Reaction of carbene ion. How these are reacting? So carbene ion CH3 minus, obviously it is ready to accept कोई भी electrophile, electron deficient particle को attract करेगा. It is forming CH4 like this. Then loss of living group. Suppose adjacent carbon पे कोई easily living group है तो then it is forming pi bonds. By removing that group, it is forming pi bonds. See here, negative charge. Generally iodine and N2, these are the good living groups. Okay, tosyl group, many groups are there. Then see here, forming pi bond by removing of this X. Next, addition reaction. Carbene ion, how it is involving means, like carbene ion gives nucleophilic addition reaction also. In the carbene RMgX में R is minus, this nucleophile is attacking on this carbon. Why on this carbon? Because this pi bond is shifted to oxygen side, carbon getting positive charge, oxygen getting negative charge. Obviously negative particle कभी भी attacked at positive positions. Okay, so see here, carbocation, this pi bond is shifted here, negative charge, here positive charge. If RMgX is there, R is minus, obviously it will attack at this carbon. Okay, so after that the MgX plus is attacking wherever negative charge is there. So completely this is the addition reaction takes place. Addition reaction. Okay, so which is attacking first? Nucleophile is attacking first. So nucleophilic addition reaction. This is the type of reaction. Which type of reaction it is? Nucleophilic addition reaction. First of all, two compounds are combining, that's why addition reaction. Here nucleophile attacking first, that's why nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, later this thing you will learn in the respective lesson chapters. हाइड्रोलिसिस में क्या होता है, वो MgBr प्लस के जगह पे H प्लस विल रिप्लेसेस, सो वो H बनेगा. ठीक है, नाउ द टॉपिक इज हियर ओनली हाउ दिस कार्बन आयन इज अटैकिंग, दैट इज ओनली न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन प्लस कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन. Nucleophilic addition plus condensation is a very important class 12 syllabus, this one. Okay, aldehyde and ketones. So OH minus taking H plus. See here, this pi bond shifted to oxygen minus, carbon getting positive. So whenever carbon is positive is there, the next carbon hydrogen is acidic hydrogen होगा, क्योंकि this bond is, it wants to shift here. Okay, so this hydrogen is more positive charge. Okay, this H plus and OH minus forming water molecule finally generated carbon ion. This carbon ion is attacking at carbonyl position. Okay, so these reactions we can discuss later. Now just we are discussing about carbon ion formation, stability, and chemical properties. Okay, so these are the reactions are there, carbon ion related. Okay, next, carbon free radical is there. In the next class we can discuss regarding this carbon free radical.